How to fix your laptop touchpad has stopped working. So if your touchpad has randomly stopped working, I'm going to show you two ways to go and fix this. Now, first just open up the start menu on your computer and then you can click on settings. In the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and devices. You can then scroll down to touchpad and click on this. Obviously make sure the touchpad is turned on like you see here and then click on the drop down arrow. Make sure leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected is turned on like this. And if you have the reset button available, you can also try clicking reset. Now, if it's still not working, then go and close out of this window. Go in, click on the start menu, search for device manager and click this window here. Now from the list of options, click on the drop down arrow next to human interface devices and you should see your touchpad from the list of devices. Now you simply need to go in, right click on the touchpad, click on update driver, press browse my computer for drivers, click on let me pick from a list of available drivers. You then need to select the HID compliant touchpad and go and press next. Now once you've done that, you can right click on the touchpad, click on uninstall device and then press uninstall. Once it's been uninstalled, you can click on action in the top navigation and press scan for hardware changes. That's going to reinstall the device and now the touchpad should be working. You can also make sure you haven't accidentally disabled the touchpad by pressing a key on your keyboard. This can typically be the F7 or one of the F keys, and this can enable and disable the touchpad. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.